at some of the latest developments of the Sri Lankan economy and financial markets. Starting January 16, 2024, the Central Bank of Sri Lanka implemented restrictions on licensed commercial banks' use of standing facilities in open market operations. The standing deposit facility access was limited to 5 times per month, and the standing lending facility access is capped at 90% of the statutory reserve requirement for each LCB daily. These measures aim to reduce the LCB reliance on fortnight facilities, promote the revival of the domestic money market, particularly the call money market, and encourage the internal corrective measures by LCBs. The Sri Lankan government plans to divest its equity shareholdings in Canwill Holdings, the parent company of Lanka Hotels and Spa, and Lanka Hotels and Spa Limited. 6 pre-qualified companies, primarily from India, are invited to submit proposals for the acquisition of Canwill Holdings, which is developing a 47-story hotel project with 458 rooms and 100 service apartments in Colombo. The Indian companies include RKG Fund, One Scheme of RKG Trust, Gland Celsius Biochemicals, DB Realty Limited, Jindal Films India Limited, and Bright Star Investments Limited. The only Sri Lankan bidder is Consulting Engineers and Contractors Limited, along with KDA Veerasinghe and Company. The Sri Lankan government, following recommendations from the Central Bank's Governing Board, plans a gradual relaxation of measures imposed during 2022 currency crisis to prevent foreign exchange outflows. The phase plan aligns with the Foreign Exchange Act No. 12 of 2017, will be presented in Parliament for approval under Section 7.1 to lift foreign exchange limitations. Sri Lanka and Thailand signed a free trade agreement to enhance market opportunities covering various aspects like trade in goods, investment, custom procedure, and intellectual property rights. Additionally, new agreements were made to liberalize air service and boost cooperation in the gem and jewellery sector. The FTA Air Services Agreement and Memorandum of Understanding between GEM institutes aim to strengthen economic ties and promote collaboration in trade and industry between the two countries. Sri Lanka aims to boost exports, foreign investments, and economic growth through free trade agreements with China, Indonesia, Malaysia, and Vietnam by year-end. The government seeks to diversify trade partnership to address export challenges and revitalize economic growth. The Foreign Affairs Honourable Minister Ali Sabri heightened the importance of FTA in creating more robust and sustainable economic foundation for the country, addressing the declining export contribution to GDP compared to regional competitors like Vietnam and Bangladesh. The strategic move towards FTA aims to unlock new markets and empower the export economy for future prosperity. Sri Lanka is launching the Source Sri Lanka Textile and Apparel Roadshow in the UK, aiming to boost exports to $1 million by 2026. This is a joint initiative by the Sri Lankan Export Development Board in collaboration with Sri Lanka Apparel Sourcing Association, Sri Lanka High Commission to the UK, and the Joint Apparel Association Forum. This is expected to expand to roadshow to Germany, Japan, USA, and Australia in the coming years. Tourism Minister Honourable Harin Fernando expresses optimism for Sri Lankan tourism in 2024. Plans to launch a global promotion backed by 1.2 billion rupees. The 360-degree marketing campaign targeting 11 strategic markets aims to make 2024 one of the most successful tourism years. Sri Lanka aims to draw 2.3 million tourists, earn over $4 billion in 2024, and has a long-term goal of attracting 5 million arrivals, generating $21.6 billion by 2030, emphasizing a focus on high-end tourists with an average spending target of $4,000 per visitor. The Securities and Exchange Commission of Sri Lanka has launched a dedicated web page to report potential market-related wrongdoings on social media, such as false or misleading statements to create an artificial market, investment advice given by an unqualified person, share price or index recommendations and predictions, or promote wrongdoings. This aims to enhance investor protection and market integrity. The confidential reporting channel encourages public collaboration. With the recent Treasury bill auction, the 91-day Treasury bill rate decreased by 101 basis points. The 182 T-bill rate decreased by 113 basis points, and the 1-year T-bill rate decreased by 127 basis points. Let's take a look at this week's Colombo Stock Exchange market status. Ceylon Grain Elevators is currently trading at 169.5 above the 23.6 fib level and above 9-period moving average of 166.94. If it crosses the short-term resistance level of 175.25, it has the potential to move upwards towards the highest high of 187. The range between the present low of 157 and the 38.2 fib level of 147.75 will be the area of support. Thank you for watching, and we will be back next week.